Galveston College offers the Nelnet payment plan as a convenient budget option. This is not a loan program. You have no debt, there are no interest or finance charges assessed, and there is no credit check. The cost to budget your interest-free monthly payment plan is a $25 per semester non-refundable Nelnet enrollment fee. Payment plan must be set up through your student Whitecaps portal. They cannot be set up in person or over the phone. You have two options to set up the initial down payment and future drafts, using either a bank account or credit card. Go to the GC webpage. Pick the Whitecaps portal link. Log in using your student ID. If you are unable to log in, please contact the GC Help Desk for all login or password issues. Once logged into the portal, select the Sign Up for Fax Payment Plan link. Note the amount and term. Then select Proceed to Processor. This will take you to the Nelnet site to complete the payment plan. Select Set up a payment plan. Select Begin. Confirm your contact information. Review the total amount owed. Then select Next. Select the available plan or plans that work best for you. Select Next. OK the one-time enrollment fee. Add the bank account or credit card information. Select Next. Once completed, you will get a confirmation number and an email providing additional details of the plan you selected.